Okay, so hello. This is a attempt to do a video that would show a little bit about the processes in AutoCAD. I'm working on this facility. It's a manufacturing facility. It's 90,000 square feet. And if everything is done right, you can think about it in a framework that makes sense. But if it's not done, if one piece is not done right, then problems compound over time. So I want to show you how I'm doing these column lines. I did this drawing all from scratch. So just measured it myself. And we started with this warehouse, and I did that on a separate project, and they were real nice and allowed me enough time to do it. And then I have since gone into this area. So I'm working on a mezzanine here, and you can see there are some column lines here and some columns. So I have these column lines going this way, but I need ones going this way to control. And the reason why these are important in AutoCAD is, well, let me just show you some simple process, some simple shortcuts. I select that line first, and I do CC. That's my shortcut for copy, move, which when I hit enter, then I left click and I drag and I have another copy. I use that all the time. Select it again. RR is rotate. Click, drag up, and it snaps. And then I select it again. I do my move command. I snap to that, and I'll put it right there, which it should be on the building line. And then I'll move it down. Now, if I know there are, say, 7 column lines here, then what I can do is make sure that I'm on the column, I'm on the right layer, which I'm not. The way I get on the right layer is I select the line, and then I hit that button, and it puts me on the column layer. So, which is where I want to be. So now I do ARRA, and that starts to do the array. Hit enter, and then I've learned that if I do hit a 12-inch thing there, then it gets big enough that I can see it. I stretch it out a little bit. The rectangle always comes up with more rows than I need. I don't know how to stop that. And then let's just say I have 7 bays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. I think it's 6. So what we can do is we can stretch it all the way to there. And then there's something called total column spacing. And if I hit the T, when I hover over that arrow, it'll allow me to stretch back to be flush with that line. Then that way I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal bays. I think that's the way it is in reality. So that's a real quick look at a very important tool, especially in metal buildings and just about any building with a column. Because again, you go in and take pictures, you know that, and you measure this column is so far from the edge and so far from this edge. And this this door is so far from this column. So you use those columns for really important context, and that determines how accurate your plan is. So that's it for this one. I'll go ahead and try and pause this video and see if I can get it uploaded. Thanks for watching.